Kwaba by Jet TV. And then you my DNA. A hot facts. A hot fact the only tea. Premier to and could be a set of good year. I'm out for and a casa for politics and man yourself. In fact, I know my brain politics the normal manipa if you want to see the brain tronia daddy. Yes, Emren. You were paying back what I see. Manabonidin and then only tea to more. Also go any day. Oh, man, you see me. The answer was your papa. And everyone up with you, conform with brain. Now, I'm going to do it. And I say, Bobo, you know my home.
Mianca Sanedi, Edia, Mianca Sano, your Fremeno, Thomas, Thomas. But say, Ubo Thomas, Naya, come out, because one nickname, Dina one, Pion. First, Nana was near from Exposito. Yeah, because be exposed. What I say, that's so yeah, you man. Later on, and you been jets. Based on the experience, how I hear fast when you know it's not a my friend for an answer number for no, my dear friend, Jet Lee. I know your baby. Jet Lee, I'm fine. They don't say Jet Lee or one son papa. Any, you try your home, your back, no money before. What they say to you.
This is Abna Tonton. Keep watching Jet TV. Bye.
Moya papa being bad Jet TV. Hot facts. Said yeah, you pay your bonny din or see a friend Thomas and Lee, Dia or Campo Fum. The deeper in your Jet Lee, the exposer. Yes, man. But you say what does you call power? I am you sing. Now say, and then. You see, new voters card ye be new for Franco for a year politician, you be see a mom penny, it be so me penny like a quiet debate be like a quiet that is something one see. Now, so we see our doors to call when you're saying ye, so buoyant to Macca, a market for so a good dear, yes, say, yeah, I mean, ready son, or see a year new one, I say, or see a year old one, come make a member make kind. Quite 19 something no so here in voters ID cards but now innovation I don't know say in case someone here before and say wa we are penny war am saying there boy nchiremu kakra
boy dani without say yidi kan ma memfa enchia bi ema adofo bi sand meje so bo hweme eye me ame papa gospel ID card 50 wada safo ani dine Power Temple Evangelical Ministry. Baby, I'm a papa will be as I'm a kind of Panami Slow. And you one cave your banana coming, baby Anka, the shit by the what do I mean now soon and I'm a city. And I'm a father on also or what USA. Wow, USA on also a prophet and family entry. Papa, some men himself share me, US, Chicago, Bowling Blue, oh share me. Papa Yamin Slow. Na nsiawa ankasa me nkago bi achimiare tisame mo amuhwemi na me chia obi biara ma member back to question for new voters ID card ye na kamia ko esa aye debate na new dibusa for dibusa pa because ade we aye debate no ma me nche wade bi wo politics ye pa ne politics mu a amano semu a on empisa na say ya kanifo empanimfo no mu di animu amano semu omo de adwene di akọ omo nyine ya temamufo no ho omo dwiri omo no ho no mabusuafo because I remember 1992 constitution no state say obi a wanya 18 years biara was so otimi to aba eti sa renewing any doing of new registration and ID card no e compulsory but yentie I come here say enkofo bi mpese na ye on say your last new voters ID ye aye ni bi mu no say ye to aba bia ye bi borders Emma Togo for any Benin for other towns no eba betu all because say Oma ba be yes have voters ID bi omunya Ghana for so betu aba obi to 4
wow
obi to 10 obi to 20
I see
and no na easy a what see eba en wa bien kratam na wo hu ni say sade we see etwam because nukredie enni abato eti say be na nukredie beba mu no ene ye be sesa old voters ID no ye be sesa no ne ye new one na timi aboa yen ama wona ofri outside the babeto abam ye si omu kwan eno na nkofo bi so omu ntiase eno na nkofo bi so omu ntiase because say ye pene ema sade ne koswa ene ye be lose election what you say enti media me fwa sa new voters ID na ye be me fwa so etwase ye obi anya 18 I was so ultimate to Abbas because 1992 constitution new one now my state so but any pepi adwuma ye die ho ene wo nko ampunto nti no person mo solitia oboda ni ma menkyere wade bi voters ID aye ka ho asem no enya abankwa na betimi dia to eti obi wo to no obi abeka che no enkoye tenafie enye ena ukoye antokwa besi odada
interest
odada ukope passport passport officer ibe bisa voters ID yes sana Ghana card ye beye enkofo bi tutugu nkofo bi asum enkoye ena nkofo bi tie nkofo bi no ma enkoye enne yeso sunsun so aba it is how voters ID card ya ka ho ase ehu hia bi se obi a wo hwe ye nkuna se onkoye se dale duru na isi bie na apon se ya meye to bia nko e ma ne nsuro they will move till the blood will flow, let the blood flow. No. It will flow in their own house. Omo can ebe flow mu fi. Eti voters ID card the secret omu no.
Wow.
Secret omu.
Wow. Kefo de mani to yo. Oboy nchiremu yi pa. We ntina kese bie ni abure a chinchina omompren. Na so munim die nti a omompren no. Omo I mean, die fact just ntina omompren. Wow. In fact, oboy nchiremu pa. Definitely oboy nchiremu ne pa. Na o kasa no in fact, o ka you say omo didi adwon ne ade. Pe say me hu like politician omo ba entro ntini be try and draw say be on me at the end no ye hu hye adada bi like to say adada bi wom ana me ba me see na like omo yusu ya adwin bi ne ade along last go so no kwante no ko ayedi I mean selfish on ko an tie no so no like ka oboy nchim ka say edit no mo bo mo timi dead bi no like yusu like odwun wa ho ti ase adada pa obedwe no baka se meyisi Mrs. School meyisi oba no nko self interest eno no in fact boy mu kakra na twefo so hu dinti na because this idea was independent that whole was independent about to papa hu do meye because adoso so gently boy mu kakra so wonchi mu kakra so ha
question obusa no very interesting because ya hu bebiri too free ya papa atamu ese penso mamini kan engophobia baso ewo amemu na say the government engophobia didi kan me papa Jerry John Rawlings Jerry John Rawlings man bia we in favorite because ya hwenie man ne be ye within the time why ye niam and I know also a man of justice and man of principle. Yeah, what can I know way? And I went to me my baby soon open. It is uncle for Namamuno, my Namamuno, or Yadia, a saw on my money name. And you're tossing me near my papa. His Excellency John Ajikun, Gentle Jack. Mine is so bad by year, excellent. Eti ye hwesa nkofo mienu ya mamu bebu ya e so perfect ana ye papa onyame fa ne kransie ye lead president John Evans man nso no ye niam but nkofo bia na kan washia ana man mame mla question so na ubusa bibi fa niam politics na politicians no any dead mamu no na sa omamba no hwe dani your language bi kwasi go ni come of kasa bi say influence to influence someone easy every politician be a shasa line your tactical plan and your strategy. We not do a tactical one and no strategic plan. Before so be a politician, I was say we not influence to influence what the people of what Ghana. I dear be I mean casting when your Bible can was said for the lack of knowledge, my people would perish. And our politicians will say Ghana will be brave and like it. It's because you're like an idiot. Any of my so influential ways be. I mean deliver. And it was a manifesto no address any man me ba me make sure say me ya kwan or make can you be brave. And now it's saying say you need to know. Na ya tiatu. So, edi o ma sua saade no. Ene no mudi ABTN. So, it is one when you are now. When you say nipa we dey nsem o kan obo obeye but o ka for no interest. Self-interest. The self-interest indeed. Yen show mo ma ba power. Na yen show mo mpasua so. Sa. Men kasa kese. Yen compare suogu ane kwada so. Esuogu a ene kwada so. Eye probi e ho but ye kamia ko se esuogu ntimi develop ama kwada so develop eye ho ya MP be na net so that time no. What I say, MP our teso no enya ye no make sure so no mpasua so within mpasua so no be siesie ho but other constituencies ni dey onya ho hwe eti na esuogu a e wo town but tuduru asa akurase bang ni esuogu a police station ni esuogu a bibi papa bia ni esuogu a esuogu a market kwa maka say ebodwa what I say eti nipa no oba no wo dwene ba bi ono nete ni area mu no peso ye woye eti MPs ni de ene so mo hwe me so mo hwe je TV ana omo no mo mpeno kre whether you like it or not hot facts ye beka baby e hye no ye be yaba baby an okwenese ye de to no ho ne de beto so eti o si ye bi wo mani no mo hu say MPs no they are deceiving us.
Brapani, just leave out of it. In fact, and then the woman in Gena Casa. Now, question you saw I was saying, me did, mama. But before that, yen hardy. Hey, comfort, I judge home. Hey, you was saying some tuga from Chrono. Oh, was in a niche on home. In fact, was what Casamana Tunda Kumumpa. Wow. We see and it all being. Ono so te kwada so oso ono so aniati o say in fact one man in there say no ono so be ka hye ne manyi na oso o mafo wa mom kro woni say abatu edu asa pie ko di ballot box oso wa tin obi a de wa kan ti no ono so afa to nkuku boy dani obi busam me atari e DB fashion and boutique yeah o ho ana o ma dress me kama yi yeah opo mo a eye bantima down ha opre yeah de ne boutique ben so me chiro. Yeah, more messages. Yan to aso. Brapani. And then also no say you know. In fact, a brave man. Yenya aduma nye. The be complaining and I scan one aduma ni one scan one aduma no na say aduma no be den sika. And the bresu dey put one ahead of the politicians say omo kan win I say you to yenya aduma kora nye. But and also no me sha say the was just go politician when you say like Uboy chimu boy be hu de free bar ama che say adwuma so akofo mama yen timamfo you ta ho de mo wa ke je adwuma ni ho obi akọ school pass what fi me so wo ayibu aboy mu kakra ko ho so ha me pa
oboda ni anu kan sem kakra emfa COVID-19 ya na nu me e ba ya ma biasi bia jense serious ya na mo me emfa se da menya e de ntina me ka se ne nyame asi ya ga baby ya ya start free start free amanone European countries one hwa nyame onye bolex nya bonisuru ya me ka bibia sesen ka ya le start wo Ghana ha Kaya ministers ni mpanyimfo nyina bedwane akotena aburukyira me ewu.
Correct.
Ti nyame hye de si kwan no. Ha? Wo si kwan no because ye beto aba ne ntokwasi a wo boni mu anu afa na yere ne ma akọ na wo de ho ba ba kyerɛ but nyame hunu sɛ COVID-19 ye no mu nyina be so fa bom.
Correct.
What I say cause ye mpanyimfo ni ya bro ye ka bro a se ka wa di bu aburo achi a ka nam ne be ma wo mu. Ti nyame si kwan no ti se ba sa na brentu.
Yes.
Ye nyina na team convent we meet.
Sanity.
E ba nso mo na e tem wo.
Correct. Wow.
Enti youth ya sama ye kin. Ya na to da me di youth ni ho ya akakra. E di enti na me di youth ho ya.
Boyimu.
Ye wo technical school so.
Correct.
What I say? But enano youth bi ansori am e ko na esi. Me ko na esi.
Me ko agia.
Me ko university. Na se technical school ni de obompe. Obi kra wi school na ka so ko keti anu obo ne hwene. Oh, person kwe nursing. Ebe wo panye me boa. Na hwan no no nkoye nkonya. Na wo office akotena so. To obi a de ne bedi abegu president ne so. Na president no, anase government no, wono no nipa na doso amamti ne selection e fa wa. 2 year national service we are yes post man na TV me pacho oko technical school na oko sua electrician me pacho nka post man ya me pacho wa untimi establish business ana oko sua de pama untimi establish business enti e was say enne no ye educate you to know more most especially mo be wie school be go school no mo na technical institution ni because any sanduma and the idea about the two government is one you. That man about the posting, I bet you okay. Allow my usu. I did don't sign the man, there be only scanning. There be Monday be Wuska, Tuesday be Wuska, Wednesday be Wuska. Nursing, who will be Pania? Near more what could just can baby, who would just have soon answer. And to you to the metro for Omo money concern do my home. And no this am university into omu obi a once an duma.
Oh, correct.
Akọ KTI we se me ko prempe enti prempe ni hu KTI ni awumu no we se makọ university and obi so akọ poly university ni hu ni poly ni a omu no but poly ni no wakosua engineering bi a ode be bọ na ho ban na ma me kire wade bi yeso obi engineer o Ghana minimum engineer bi o Ghana ha ne car say ya this okofrefitani.
Look at this.
Ne car say okofrefitani na de bia me sere kwa ne say engineer mu a o car say a no akofa book abiem da ne engine so minim say obepe tu so mu so e dia say theory mo o so when you practical how can you do ko KTI no
practicals
the okọ pole no
yes
the practicals no afi do ko tina kopra ti yama ye ni konsa ne dwuma ho e ba sa youth no yemfa ya haw ene ababrese enkoto government so e ba bua yen konsa ne dwuma de e ye papa enti youth no problem no
problem
yes
kwati
cause minister bo be shop but onyanya wi a ne wura fiu yes ne wura fiu
wow
me ba to score 32 million mo tem anya because me nya delegate but the way delegate no onya bi etimi ni party card head and over 32 etimi won tere me etimi nsan no adwuma no de nya me bia ma me no eno na me didi ho eti emfa yen nsan nya adwuma ni ndi ho
it is simple youth it's about time we should use our hand to work hard and the biana I mean about pushing and university biana about ekoya about sometimes we should do our own thing in fact and every penny boy mu pa or my dictate say for my education radio share jet TV na you just hot fact me bro na minia asema akoso ha we send me my discussing but answer na me ready messages kakra we see Facebook Ochi Emmanuel on say no crepa youth no o say on kra de ni papa ni I school 3 years in university fee. Oh, what kind of sort of years or 2 for I say, I'll be baby, do also more. You cry taxi 2 second on the back country. Naka for now, Also, the Guapo University don't mean Peters.
Hey, look at what this is.
Hey, serious, so.
I didn't have more property.
Oh, my missing. Also, Texas won't you? One is dog kind of trooper. The name is the one who said, well, you're top office work, white collar jobs. And then I didn't remember, yeah, Papa still. Okay, so, Nicholas Opoku, don't say what I was saying, my dear, and Michelle Pan. And I also Frederica. I said, you say, in fact, and then Ocean Yava. You wouldn't baby, you said Jet TV, hot facts. Your mom will correct the facts now. I see true PDA about cancel you free.
Hello, my name is Chantel. Keep watching Jet TV. Bye.